Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. In continuation of our culinary journey of 60 exotic dishes from 20 different countries, today I am preparing Mutton Kabsa Pulav, an Arabian recipe. Just like every super hit movie has a prequel, Kabsa is the prequel for South Indian version of biryani. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. And for the ingredients, please check the description section. Kabsa can be prepared for a large gathering. As we cook the rice and the meat in the same pot, it is a win-win because it is a one-pot dish. To start with, I'll finely chop ginger and garlic, and then I'll chop the tomatoes. Then heat up a pot, add a little amount of cooking oil and fry the blanched almonds which I have chopped. I'll fry till the almonds are crisp. Then I'll fry a little amount of golden raisins till they are plump. These nuts I'll be using it for garnish. Then in the same pot I'll add the thinly sliced onion. I'm using white onion, and I'll fry the onion till it is light brown in color. Then I'll add the finely chopped ginger and garlic, followed by cumin seeds, crushed black pepper powder, crushed cloves, crushed green cardamom, and little amount of cinnamon powder. Saute it for a minute. I'll add few bay leaves. Then I'll add the lamb shank. Season it with salt. I'll add a little amount of red chilli powder, few green chilies, and dry lemon which I prepared at home. Please check the description section for the recipe how to prepare it at home. Then I'll add the juice of half a lemon and cook the lamb shank thoroughly till it turns light brown in color. Then it is the right time to add the finely chopped tomatoes, followed by little amount of tomato paste. Then I'll add enough amount of water, and on a low flame I'll cook till the mutton is soft and tender. You can use a pressure cooker to speeden up this process. The meat is soft and almost getting separated from the bone, so I'll take out the lamb shank in a separate fry pan. And to this gravy, I will add the soaked long grain rice, and cook till the rice is done. If needed, you can add little amount of water. On the other hand, to the lamb shank, I'll add a little amount of cooking oil and fry it till they are golden brown in color. You can also put it in the oven and grill it. The rice is cooked and the lamb shank is grilled. So I'll place the meat over the rice. Add the fried nuts. Put the lid on and cook it for around 5 minutes and the dish is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.